If you're thinking about buying the Freeforg motor floaties, here's what you need to know before spending your money. At first glance, these motorized floaties look like a lot of fun. They're designed to help you cruise around the pool or calm lake without constantly paddling, making them great for relaxing weekends or family outings. The controls are simple enough for beginners, and the buoyancy feels stable, especially in calm water. That's definitely a big plus. But here's the catch. Don't expect high-speed thrills. The motor is more about gentle cruising than excitement, and the battery life is fairly limited, so your fun might end sooner than you'd like. Build quality also feels a bit average, and long-term durability is still a question, especially since it's not backed by a well-known brand. Similar generic motorized float products often receive praise for ease of use, but criticism for modest performance and uncertain long-term support. So, should you buy it? If you just want a relaxing, motor-assisted float for calm water, it's a decent option. But if you're expecting premium performance or lasting reliability, you may want to keep looking. Either way, make sure you wear a life jacket and use it safely around the water.